Ah! Max was ready to climb out the window. He said he had enough of y'all. Dang, her room is junky already. Look at her stuff over there. Look at that. You know what? You better have this clean by the time we get back, okay? 30 minutes in here and look at it.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, I want to see how messy it is. This is probably the cleanest it'll ever be.